Hey guys, it's Leslie here, and I was getting ready to make some more Canva flyers, and I remembered a really cool trick that I wanted to share with you. This is my Canva home site. These are all of the flyers that I've made pretty much from the start of using Canva, and right here, this is kind of like an ongoing list of flyers that I've been creating, and these are for my custom albums on my business page, on my Facebook business page. And the intent of that is just to let people browse through my Facebook photo albums to shop versus going to the my PWS where people can get overwhelmed, they can't find what they're looking for, or the ever so frustrating part where they order in the wrong party or they don't pick a party at all. So these all are pretty uniform. I can't talk today, guys. They're pretty uniform. They look relatively the same. They have the same border, the same fonts. They have the same watermark. And once it's finished loading, I can show you what I'm talking about more. There we go. So they all look pretty much the same. I think I have 10 different photos here. And it's redundant, but it's super simple, and I wanted to show you how you can make your flyers all kind of have that same look to them. So when you first make your first flyer, I like to use in the elements and in the shapes section, I like to use these borders. So you just drag a border out, you line it up, you can edit the color, so I kind of have like some colors that I generally have been using. And then you add a text box. And then you can type up, your name, Independent Sensei Consultant, or whatever you want your unique watermark to look like. Once you're done typing that up, you can go up here to this checkered box and you can adjust the transparency. So I kind of just want mine setting in the background a little bit, not super noticeable. And then what you do, before you put anything else in the flyer, you click on this copy the page button, and it's going to add a copy further down the page for you. So before you add any photos or any more text or anything that's going to make this flyer unique, copy it, and then you have a template to work from, okay? So I thought that was really cool and just wanted to show that with you guys today. And I hope you all have an awesome week, and maybe we'll talk soon.